Hi, this is Jeff Amboy and welcome to my board exam series in mathematics. In this episode, I will teach you how to solve first-order differential equations only by means of inspection. There are differential equations na ang sagot ay nakukuha lang talaga sa tingin. Yes, no need for a pen and paper. However, we will only consider multiple choice questions. So once again, this is ideal for comprehensive examinations, board exams, or similar type of examinations. In this video, I'll give you two examples and a practice problem. But before we begin, if you are fond of my lecture videos and haven't subscribed yet to my channel, ano pang hinihintay mo? Subscribe na at i-share ang vids ko sa mga friends mo para mas maraming matuto. Okay? So, let's begin. Here's our first sample problem. Solve the equation dy over dx equals 6x squared over 2y plus cosine y. And since ito ay parang board exam, kinakailangan meron tayong choices. So, here are the choices. Yan, meron tayong 4 na choices. Now, to know the answer to this problem, we need to first identify the type of equation given. No? Ano bang klaseng DE yung given dito? So, we can say by inspection that this is a separable equation. Why? Because we can separate the x's from the y's. Kapag itong 2y plus cosine y, minultiply natin ng dy, at itong 6x squared, minultiply natin ng dx, separated na ngayon yung x at saka y. And para ma-solve ang differential equation, di ba kailangan nating mag-integrate? Okay? So kapag tayo nag-integrate, ang makukuha natin dito is 2y squared over 2, right? Kaya makakancel yung 2, ang matitira is y squared. Tapos ito, pag in-integrate natin is sine y because the integral of cosine is sine. Okay? And mapapansin natin lahat ng choices from A, B, C, D, pare-parehas yung unang dalawang term. So, sure na tayo doon, y squared plus sine y. And by inspection din, makikita natin na nagkakatalo lang ang mga choices dito sa term na ito. Yan. Doon sa unang term sa right-hand side ng equation. Saan ang galing yan? Dito nang galing yan eh. 'Di ba? Now, pag yan ay in-integrate mo, 'di ba magiging 6x cube? Yan, 6x cube. So, ang tamang sagot, yung may x cube. Ito 'yon. Eh, nagkataon lahat sila ay x cube. Okay? So, nagkakatalo lang yan sa coefficients. But that is 6x cube over 3. Right? Pag in-integrate mo. And yung 6 over 3, that will give us 2. Okay? So, that is why, by means of inspection, hindi na tayo nagsulat, nalaman natin na ang sagot pala dito ay letter C. Diba? Ganun lang kadali. Once again, para makapag-solve tayo ng differential equation, kinakailangan mo munang i-identify kung anong klaseng equation siya. Yan ba ay separable? Kagaya ng equation na ito. That's the easiest equation to solve. If the equation is not separable, then we might find it more difficult to solve. Okay? So, dito, sa video na ito, magfo-focus tayo dun sa mga equations na separable na nasosolve by means of inspection. Okay, so let us have another example. Solve the equation y squared times y prime equals x squared. So again, this equation is separable. We can express this y prime as dy over dx. Diba? dy over dx. Tapos itong x squared, multiply mo lang siya ng dx at ang matitira na lang sa left-hand side is yung y squared dy. Okay? So nasa na yung mga choices niya? Here are the choices. Okay. So, dahil sa right-hand side, meron tayong x squared. Pag tayo ay nag-integrate, makakaroon ng term na x cube. Right? X cube. So, alin dito yung may x cube? So, options B and option D. Okay. So, either B or D lang ang tamang sagot. Once again, paano natin yun nalaman? Kasi po, pag in-integrate natin yung x squared, magiging x cube yun. No? So, imposible na A at C ang sagot. Now, yung B at D, nasa kanila yung sagot. Alin dyan ang tama? Yung square root or yung cube root? So, para malaman yan, tingnan mo naman yung left-hand side. Di ba y squared yan? Pag in-integrate mo yan, magiging y cube. No? At yung y cube, pag kinuhanan mo ng y, kailangan mo ng cube root. No? So, para makuha mo yung y mula sa y cube, kailangan kuhanan mo siya ng cube root. Kaya ang tamang sagot definitely is yung may cube root. Ito yon, option D. Okay, so di ba ganun lang kadali? No? So again, yung mga equations na ganyan, pwedeng makuha mo ang sagot by inspection only. No? And that won't take you 15 seconds actually. Dapat within less than 15 seconds, makuha mo na yung sagot. Para yung iba mong time ay magamit mo sa pagsosolve ng mga mas challenging and difficult problems. Now, para ikaw ay ma-practice, I'll give you a problem, no? At lalagyan natin ng timer, no? 15 seconds, and within that 15 seconds, kinakailangan ma-identify mo ang tamang sagot. Okay? So, ready ka na ba? Here's the problem. Solve the equation, xy prime equals 2 minus 4x cubed. So, here are the choices. And kailangan mong malaman ang sagot within less than 15 seconds. So, ito yung timer ha. Timer starts now. Remember, 15 seconds lang. Now, kapag may sagot ka na after 15 seconds, I will show you the correct answer. Now, time's up. The correct answer is letter B. Okay. So, did you get the correct answer? Okay. So, kung nakuha mo, then that's good for you. Okay, you need to practice even more para kapag nakakita ka ng isang differential equation, i-inspect mo muna kung siya ay nasosolve by inspection. Now, what if the solution can be found just by inspection? So, kung hindi nakukuha yung solution by means of inspection, kailangan mong isolve manually yung problem. At alam naman natin kapag nagsosolve tayo ng differential equation manually, it takes some time. And the worst is, you don't actually know how to solve the given DE. No? Paano pag yan ay nangyari sa isang exam? Hindi mo alam kung paano isolve ang isang DE, hindi mo alam ang manual solution, at hindi mo rin lalo siya makuha by means of inspection. Is there a way to get the correct answer? Yes. Actually, there is a way. Gamit ang calculator. And yan ang ituturo ko sa inyo sa sunod na video na aking gagawin. That's why you should watch out for that. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and share this to your friends. Bye!